Welcome to Perla.
My eyelashes just curled themselves automatically.
This foyer looks like Liberace married a Fabergé egg.
This lamp is staring at me. I think it knows my secrets.
Don't say that out loud. It'll remember. Ladies, welcome to Perla.
I can't see. I think the chandelier just tried to kill me. It's glowing.
Is this a dining table or a damn lightning altar? I feel like I'm having dinner with Zeus. This rug has more drama than my second divorce.
Perla once upholstered an elevator in ostrich leather.
Why does that painting look like it wants to fight me?
Who's that? Oh, who's sitting under me?
It's you, Bunny! You scared yourself again!
Last time she slapped a lamp.
Don't call me grandma or call me gran. Don't call me grandma because I am glam. Sparkle in my step, got that glam groove. Shining with style, got nothing to prove. Don't call me grandma cause that's so bland. Don't call me grandma, you can call me grand.
Purples? Oh, yes, let's get this out of the way right now. Ooh, yes, some people see purple and think, oh, that's a little too much. I see purple, well, myself, and I think we need more. Oh my goodness, you know, purple isn't just a color. No. Ooh, purple has an attitude. Yes, darlings. Oh, purple walks into a room before you do. Purple doesn't whisper. Oh no, purple enters, yes, wearing fabulous earrings and says, oh yes, I reserve the best table. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying every room should look like a grape exploded. Oh no, there's a difference between glamorous and looking like blueberry smoothie had an actual emotional breakdown. But when purple is done correctly, oh goodness, that's luxury. Purple has represented royalty, guys, for centuries. It represents glamour, creativity, passion, spirituality, mystery, confidence, and just enough drama to keep life interesting. Woo! Because honestly, gosh, look what happens when I think of beige. Beige has never started any conversation. No, but purple has every single time, like right now. So now let's talk about the people who truly love purple. These are fascinating people. They're creative, they're emotional, they're expressive, they're usually fearless, yes, like me. And they're not fearless. They desperately want to be. Yes, they can't help that. Purple gives them permission. Granted permission, yes, guys, it's granted. Some people actually wear black because they don't want anyone to notice them, or maybe they just want to look thinner, but okay. But purple lovers wear purple because they're hoping someone notices the sofa before they notice they forgot to make a dinner. Yeah, it happens. Ooh, well, psychologically, actually tells us purple stimulates imagination and spirituality. Purple is connected to the crown chakra. Did you know that? Well, yes. Well, that's the energy center associated with higher consciousness, intuition, wisdom, and enlightenment. So now, whether you believe in chocolates or not, I didn't say chocolate, okay? I said chakras. Oh, it's my accent. I love it. I can tell you one thing, guys. Yeah, the moment someone walks into one of these people's rooms, their energy changes. Ooh, imagine that. Or, well, maybe they're just distracted by the crystal chandelier. Ooh. Either way, it's working. And speaking of spirituality, I've noticed something, though. Whenever clients ask me for purple, yeah, they always say exactly the same thing. I don't want too much purple. Well, 45 minutes later, they're choosing purple velvet. Oh, yes, purple silk, purple artwork, purple pillows, purple accessories, purple orchids, purple lighting, purple crystals, purple candles, purple everything. Woohoo! Apparently, just a little purple is a gateway color. Woo! And these two homes we're looking at today, were designed for two completely different Florida residents. Well, different personalities, yeah. Different lifestyles. Yeah. Different homes too. They share one thing though. They absolutely adore purple. Not because it was trendy, because it reflected who they are. One home embraced rich jewel tones with glamorous elegance, and other mixed sparkle couture details, shimmering textures. I'm getting excited. Sophistication that even the furniture looked at it. It had a passport. Oh, honey, tell me about that one. Well, everything was layered. Yes, nothing was ordinary. Everything in the room had personality. Yeah, you know that. Answer like who? Like them. And that's the secret, guys.
Yes, girls, Perla did my house.
She did all this? I'd let Perla design my funeral if it looked this good. Perla told me velvet was bold. I said, make it braver. That's not a staircase. That's a fashion runway. If I had stairs like that, I'd fake sprained ankles.
Perla said, go glam or go home. So I bought the whole spa.
Is this where you brush your teeth?
If I die in here, do not resuscitate me.
Perla designed this couch just for me. It matches my aura.
I thought your aura was complicated.
This feels like heaven rubbed in diamonds. Perla told me, if you're going to worship fashion, build a temple. I'm afraid to touch anything. This closet has better lighting than my wedding. Perla told me this balcony deserved a queen, so here I am. My balcony faces a dumpster.
She's not just a designer. She's a damn magician.
Don't call me grandma or call me gran. Don't call me grandma because I am glam.
Luxury should never look like a furniture showroom. It should look like your personality got dressed for the Academy Awards. Now, can we please talk about Golden Girls? Oh, yes. Because if Blanche, Dorothy, Rose, and Sophia walked into these homes, they'd never leave. No, Blanche would claim the master suite before anyone took their coat off. She'd already be rearranging the pillows. Woohoo, Dorothy would pretend she wasn't impressed while secretly calculating where to put her reading chair. I know how they think. Well, Rose would somehow connect the purple velvet sofa to a story about growing up in St. Olaf. I'm pretty sure our cows had lavender moods. Woohoo, creative girl, I love her. Now, they didn't. Rose, Sophia would walk in around, shrug, and say, well, I knew Cleopatra. They all got stories. But 5 seconds later, she'd be asking where the cannolis were. These women would absolutely thrive here. Yes, every room has confidence. Every room has humor. Every room says, life isn't over. No, we're just getting better accessories. Because here's something I've learned after decades of designing homes. People, no, they don't. Never, ever outgrow glamour. No, if anything, they finally give themselves permission to enjoy it. So, when we're younger, we decorate to impress everyone else. We decorate to make ourselves smile every morning. Yeah, well, that is luxury. And let's clear up another misconception. No, might as well. Purple doesn't have to scream. Purple can whisper. A beautiful lavender, a smoky amethyst, soft lilac, deep aubergine, a royal plum. How about eggplant or violet? Oh, just tiny touches hidden throughout a room, guys. Like jewelry. Enough to make people say, I don't know why, I just love this room. Subconsciously, yes, but I never want to leave, is what they say. Well, then what happens is, confirmation, guys. That's good design. Not because it's expensive, but because it's emotional. Oh my goodness, I keep saying the best interiors don't just match your sofa, they match your soul. They tell your story before you say the first word. And yes, sometimes your story happens to sparkle. By the way, if your husband says, purple, yeah, purple, well, that's too feminine. Just remind him. Kings wore purple for centuries, even before coaches started wearing khakis, guys. Royalty figured it out long time ago. Confidence looks fabulous in purple, and finally these extraordinary floral homes become more beautiful interiors. Yeah, they do. They became conversation pieces. Ooh, they were featured editorial in a Florida Design magazine, celebrating exactly what I believed throughout my entire career, that there is an audience for glamour, elegance, originality, and fearless creativity. Oh yes, because despite what some people think, the world is not asking for another boring beige box. Ha ha ha. The world is asking for personality, for beauty, imagination, for homes that make you feel something. And sometimes the perfect way to say all of that is, guys, I'll just say it. And why not? With a little bit more purple.